Another pharmacy. See, lots of pharmacies that you should try here.
Under feet, waves touch like a beat.
We are in Myeongdong right now, and Myeongdong is famous again for shopping district here in Seoul, South Korea. And right now we're looking for a locker because our Airbnb, we can check in around 2 to 3 p.m. So we have so much time left, and we have time to at least shop around Myeongdong. And of course, Daiso, the biggest Daiso here in Myeongdong. Now we're entering my stomping ground, Myeongdong. There's a lot of pharmacy that you must visit here too, in South Korea. Aside from the road shops like Olive Young, and you'll find very interesting products in the pharmacy as well. If you are in Myeongdong, better not to focus on Olive Young because there are skincare stores that sell cheaper, same brand. They sell different brands at the same time. The good thing, it's much cheaper. What you can see behind me is the Queen Holiday. So there is some sale stores here. Those are stuff there. It's mostly on sale. Another pharmacy. See, lots of pharmacies that you should try here. Let's go inside the pharmacy and let me show you all the good stuff that you can also buy here, like beauty creams without needing the doctor's prescription. So I was able to purchase. I'm just lucky because even I didn't bring my passport, they were able to deduct the tax-free just by using the copy of my passport, because some places just like maybe Olive Young, if you don't have your physical passport, they cannot deduct the tax-free refund. You have to go to the airport customs to deduct the tax-free. I'm here at one of the largest Olive Young stores in Myeongdong, where you can find a huge selection of skincare, beauty, and health products. Now it's time to shop at one of the biggest Daiso stores in Myeongdong, where you can find everything from cute stationery and home essentials to beauty products and unique Korean souvenirs, all at super affordable prices. So there are elevators to 11th floor, or 12 maybe, but we just choose to use the stairs instead, just for exercise. So let's start at the 12th floor. So this Daiso has a 12th floor building. 12th floor, fashion, travel, and season. We climb up from first floor after 12th floor. We started from upstairs. Now we are on the 10th floor from the 12th floor. It's easier. You started from the upstairs and go downstairs. 10th floor, gardening, pet supplies. I don't have a pet except Casper, of course. Sports and camping. So if you like camping, a slew of stuff here. And my jam. Fitness. Now in 8th floor, bath, cleaning, and laundry. Fabric and interior. My God. That's everything you need at home, so you don't need to go somewhere else. In Daiso, for a cheaper price, you can just purchase them here, all the things that you need at home. 5th floor, almost down to the 1st floor. So many chocolates. Ladies, this is your stomping ground. If someone wants food so much, he likes food, this is his stomping ground. And welcome to the 4th floor, kids and party needs. 3rd floor, stationery and digital sections. The 2nd floor, it's most crowded because it's more on accessories and beauty, skincare. Everyone's favorite, especially female. Oh my God, so many good stuff here. Girls, girls, it's so nice. Okay, basket is already full. Spend most of the time at the second floor. And it's because it's all about beauty. So Daiso, I love Daiso, especially here in Myeongdong. It's huge. From 12, they have 12 floors. It's a huge building. So it's a nice place to visit rather than I would recommend buying in Daiso, first checking the skincare and makeup before going to Olivia because Olivia is more expensive than there. Since Daiso has a different brand of makeup, based on my experience, they have really good makeup here. And it's really good for sensitive skin, so Asian skin. Okay, first floor is the place we're going to pay. Time to pay. We're done. Daiso is tax-free for tourists. When you have your physical passport, you can instantly redeem your refund after the purchase. If not, they will hand you a receipt and redeem it at the Incheon airport at a tax refund booth. We had a whole day here in Myeongdong and we had fun shopping. Happy Valentine's Day! Daiso Korea, the best. And now we booked the Kakao taxi and heading to our Airbnb. Hobbying city.
That'd be like 12K in Daejeon.
Really? It's more
Yeah.
expensive enough?
Yeah.
Oh my god, just 6K here. The flag down rate is 4.8. Taxis here in South Korea are not only clean but also well maintained, comfortable and equipped with GPS and card payment options. Plus, most drivers are polite and professional, making the ride smooth and hassle-free. Yet, they drive so fast. Just in 10 minutes and we finally arrived in our location. And right now we're looking for our Airbnb. Okay, we finally got in. This is our room. Turn it on. Nice. Bed on the floor. They have the heater. Oh, they have Myeongdong. The floor is heating. So as you know, villa apartments have no elevators. So if you're in the 5th floor, good luck. You have to climb 5 floors. Good thing about it, it's just like living luxury because you have floor heater, water heater, everything. You won't feel cold, and especially it's winter today. And most interesting fact about their toilets, especially Airbnbs, you don't need to bring shampoos, body wash, conditioners because they're all place provided. Lots of towels, face towels, body towels. Of course, my favorite, blower. So it has 2 bedrooms, so we chose the other one. I like that one. And this one, we call it tampo room. So if you have tampo with your partner, you can stay here because it has own refrigerator or computer. So you can just stay here without seeing your wife or your girlfriend. Go tampo 24 hours or more than 24 hours. It's called tampo friendly room. Okay, dinner time. We found this restaurant on Naver Map with high Naver reviews. The good thing about Naver Map here, the reviews are mostly legit, not just a fake reviews to please people. So we're in queue, number 11. So the guy told us that it will take at least an hour or 2, but we are willing to wait because they have a good kalbi here. Grilled beef ribs, wow.